Welcome back. All the political parties have geared up for Lok Sabha polls. On Friday, national political parties briefed media on their activities. BJP has criticized political parties for using words like secularism and communalism for political gains, whereas Congress has alarmed Valanka to work for the party in Goa. AAP leader Manish Sisodia will address public meeting on Saturday, and Punch member of Kalangut Joseph Sequeira has pledged his support to Congress party.
BJP has criticized political parties. BJP said secularism and communalism are the words used to create religious divide.
Two words, secularism and communalism, have always been the panacea of Congress party. But for the Bharatiya Janata Party, both these words are symbols of religious divide. I say both these words are symbols of religious divide.
National leader of AAP Manish Sisodia will address a public meeting at Azad Maidan on Saturday. AAP candidates of North and South Goa would be present. AAP leaders will highlight their agenda for Lok Sabha poll.
आम आदमी पार्टी का खुशी जाता सांगतात की आमचो नॅशनल लीडर श्री मनीष सिसोदिया गोंयांत येवपाचो आसा. आमी फाल्यां शेनवारा 5:30 आझाद मैदानाचेर तांची सभा दवरल्या. सगळ्या गोंयकार भावा भयणांक हांव मागतां व्हडल्या संख्यानी येवचें.
Congress party on the other side elected their new Goa Pradesh Mahila Congress President Clotilde Braganza. Member Monica Dias said Valanka should work hard for the party's upliftment.
This time, as soon as the assembly election, although another 3 years are there, please try to see that and ensure us, which has already ensured us, that they will give us to the North and South Goa ladies seat for the assembly. My advice to Valanka is very sincere advice that she should come back and not stay in Bangalore and Delhi. She should come to Goa. She should come to Goa and work for the party.
Punch member and heavyweight of Kalangut Joseph Sequeira has joined hands with Congress party.
See, development आमच्या गावांत कांयच जायना. जे कितें आमी डेव्हलपमेंट मागलेलें पर्रीकारा कडेन तें आजुनी पासून कांयच जायना. सो सगळें हाफ डन जॉब जाल्लो. तुमी पळयतले आसतले कित्याक जेन्ना आमचो कालांगूट एसोसिएशन टू चार्ल्स्टन रोड जाला तो आजुनी पाड आसा. दुसरे रस्ते जाले, दुसऱ्या गांवांनी रस्ते जाले. आमचेच कित्याक पाड? आमी कितें पातक केला? कालांगूटच्या लोकांनी कितें पातक केला?
Bureau Report, Prudent.
The Supreme Court on Friday removed N. Srinivasan as BCCI chief and asked Sunil Gavaskar to take charge as an interim president for the duration of IPL 7. Court has allowed Chennai Super Kings and Rajasthan Royals teams to participate in the IPL and has made it clear that the matches will be held as per schedule.
श्रीनिवासन को हटाया गया है जब तक मामला यहाँ पे चलेगा, सब जुडिस जब तक मामला यहाँ चलेगा और आईपीएल मैच के दौरान में बीसीसीआई का अध्यक्ष का कार्यभार सुनील गावस्कर देखेंगे और आईपीएल के पश्चात जो बीसीसीआई का सीनियर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट होगा वो अध्यक्ष का कार्यभार देखेगा. धोनी निर्दोष है, धोनी का कहीं कुछ ये नहीं है. लेकिन कल जो सवाल खड़ा हुआ था मुद्गल कमीशन पे उनके कमेंट के ऊपर कि जो उन्होंने कहा था उसके अलावा और कोई ऐसी बात नहीं कही. सुंदर रमन पे सुनील गावस्कर के ऊपर कोर्ट छोड़ दिया है कि सुंदर रमन रहेंगे कि नहीं सीईओ.
The BCCI made very clear that since we were concerned with a swift investigation and such investigation should be conducted with complete probity and there should not be any element of public doubt as to the probity of this investigation, that Mr. Srinivasan would not discharge the activities of the president of the BCCI and someone else could discharge those activities for the time being. This was the proposal which was given in writing to the court yesterday by the BCCI.
Earlier on Thursday, Supreme Court had proposed that former Indian captain Sunil Gavaskar could take over as the interim chief of the Indian Cricket Board of BCCI in place of the embattled N. Srinivasan. It has also suggested that IPL teams Chennai Super Kings and Rajasthan Royals should not be part of the 7th season. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Pudhari retained the Vijay Gaad Memorial Intermediate cricket title with a 5-wicket victory over Herald in the finals. Pudhari chased down the target of 118 in the 15th over, losing 5 wickets. The tournament was organized by Sports Journalists Association of Goa at SAG ground in Kampal. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.